I got my Wings Muffler delivered all the way from Europe, and I'm running just on the left side here, and my 2-in-1 comes over onto this side. This thing's very nicely built. It's got the carbon fiber tip on the end of it. It's what they call the non-oval shape. Bolts in there really nicely. Nice bracket, strap. The attachment point is really nicely made. Build quality is very, very nice. It comes with multiple inserts. It's got the larger insert in it right now. It comes out by taking this screw out here and drops out. There's a smaller one, and then you can run without also. So let's give it a listen. It's pretty quiet. I like quiet, but with a nice tone. I don't necessarily want the coppers knowing where I'm at and where I'm poaching gates, if you know what I mean.